Everyone, I'm gonna show you in this video how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So let's gonna start. First, you will just go and open your Twitch like this. It will open directly on your homepage, as everyone know. So then just come here to your profile, and then on your profile come to account settings. So right here click on account, and on account click on edit profile. So after that we'll find here profile picture, click on it and then click take a photo, for example, or choose from existing photo. I will just choose take a photo, and from here I will take a picture and I will use it as my profile picture. So that's it guys in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to support us by like, also subscribe, and see you in another video.